Yo, what's up everybody? It's LBS here again for today's video. We've got another product review for you guys. So right here we've got a product from Papayay. It is a wireless doorbell, and this is what the box looks like, guys. Inside the box it comes with two wireless receivers and one all-weather transmitter. Also, you've got a 52 music chimes to choose from, and it's got 4 level of adjustable volume. So yeah guys, if you are the person who doesn't want to deal with wiring and all those electronic stuff, this might be the one for you guys. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, so let's open it up and see what we have inside the box. So right there we've got the instruction manual. Underneath we've got the two receivers. So on the side here you've got your volume buttons. On the front you've got your speaker, and here is the plug where you can plug it anywhere in your house. And that's pretty much it for the receiver, guys. Everything here is made of plastic. It's pretty well built plastic, and the same thing as the other receiver. Okay, so now let's check out the transmitter, which is your doorbell, the one that you press. So right here is, oh, we got all the parts here. Let's take them all out. So right here we've got a tool here to screw the screw. Okay, and also you've got a double-sided 3M tape here. If you decide to, I guess, if you just want to tape it instead of screwing it. So you've got two options on how to install this. And the transmitter is right here, guys. Alright, let's open this up. And it looks like, oh, hold on. Let me open this up. It looks like there is battery installed already inside. Let me see. Let me double check. Alright, so there you go. So there is battery installed already. As you can see there, I just took this tab out, and now we could just close it. So this is waterproof. As you can see, there's a seal around it. So all you have to do is just seal tight close this. For the screw, that's where you put the screw, right through there. You just screw it anywhere on the wall, and all you have to do after that, once you got both screwed on the casing of this doorbell, just close it up and it's ready to be used, guys. So this one goes over here. I'm not too sure what this casing is for, this little thing here. It's like a decoration. Okay, so as you can see, the button lights up as well. That is awesome. So now all I have to do is just plug this on one of my plug socket and it should automatically start, guys. Alright, so all you have to do next, guys, just plug it anywhere and it's pretty much ready. Alright, so let's press the button and see. Alright, nice. What is this? Is the volume button here. Okay, so the volume button is the small button up here, guys, and the bottom button here is to change the chime. Alright, so the speaker looks like it's back here, guys. Not the front here, it's just the LED glowing blue light. So there you have it, guys. This wireless headphone is pretty awesome. If you're not the type of person who doesn't want to deal with all the wirings and cables and all those fun stuff, this is the one for you guys. So if you are interested in getting one, I will put a link on the description below. And again, thank you for watching. Until then, I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace!